If your Shark cordless vacuum isn't charging, the issue could stem from the battery, charger, or connections. But here's a step-by-step guide to get it working. First, check the LED indicators on the battery or charger. If no lights appear, ensure the charger is plugged into a working outlet. Test it with another device. Use only the original Shark charger, as third-party ones can fail to charge or trigger errors. Inspect the charger cable and connector for fraying or damage. If damaged, order a replacement from Shark's website or call 1-800-798-71398. Next, clean the charging contacts on both the battery and vacuum with a dry cloth to remove dust or debris. Models like IZ300 or IF200 detach it, wait 45 minutes, and reattach to reset. If LEDs show two flashing lights, top and bottom, the battery may be too hot or cold. Let it sit plugged in for 30 to 60 minutes to stabilize. For models with non-removable batteries, like some Rocket series, ensure the vacuum is properly docked. If it still won't charge, the battery may be dead. Typical lifespan 3 to 4 years, or the charging dock. Faulty replacements cost $20 $100 depending on the model. Check your warranty for free repairs. What's your model, and are any LEDs showing?